Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use TwistedBrush to clone parts of images from an absolute, a relative or a fixed position. Cloning from within the same image is very useful for photo editing. With the absolute offset position cloning, each stroke will begin from the cloning source origin. To set the cloning source origin point, press the Ctrl key and click on the image. Now you are ready to clone. Select a cloning brush depending on the effect you want to achieve. If you want to replicate the part of the image exactly, use the Pro Cloner Basic brush. Notice the red outline cursor. This is the indicator of the cloning source point. Because we are cloning from an absolute offset position, each stroke of the brush will start from this same origin point. If we want to replicate the mushroom with this method, the best will be doing it with just one stroke, without releasing the mouse button. To clear the cloning source, select Clear Clone Offset from the page menu. With the relative offset position cloning, each stroke offset from the origin will be continued and not reset on each stroke. Press Alt and click on the image to set the cloning source origin point. Start painting with a clone brush. For difference of the absolute offset position, the strokes don't start from the same origin point. You can change the position with each new stroke and there won't be repetitive patterns. To clear the cloning source, select again Clear Clone Offset from the page menu. With the fixed offset position cloning, the cloning source position doesn't change, therefore every dab of the stroke is pulled from the same location. This is more commonly used for special effects. Press Ctrl and Alt and click on the image to set the fixed offset cloning position. Select a clone brush and start painting. Notice that the clone source for the fixed offset mode doesn't change even during painting. Clear the cloning source by selecting Clear Clone Offset from the page menu.